thunderstorm warning for Hardin County, Illinois, northeastern County, Illinois, southern County, Illinois, Crittenden County, Kentucky, northern Livingston County, Kentucky, southwestern Union County in northwestern Kentucky until 12:15 p.m. At 11:29 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Dixon Springs to near Burna, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Eldorado, Sturgis, Shawneetown, Rose Eclair, Ridgeway, Golconda, Equality, Joy, New Haven, Cave and Rock, Elizabethtown, Omaha, Old Shawneetown, Junction, Eddyville, Carsville, Carver's Ridge and Gross. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hardin, Pope and Saline, and the following counties in Kentucky: Crittenden, Livingston, and Union. The tornado warning